If you're using an LMS like Google Classroom, Schoology, Canvas, or Microsoft Teams with FOSAs, you may want to send student scores to that LMS gradebook. You can do this really easily from the activity results section of our grading and results portal. To start, you'll want to be sure that here in the upper left corner, you see LMS linked after your name. If you don't, go ahead and log out using the power icon here on the right and log back in using your LMS credentials. Once you're logged in and LMS linked, you'll click on the Teachers panel and then the graph icon to open grading and results. From here, you'll choose Activity Results on the left. To sync scores, we'll choose one class here at the top, just one class at a time when you're syncing students. Then we'll choose the unit or chapter and the activity that we'd like to sync scores for. You'll notice that I do have some student responses, so I can grade those here. I can make any adjustments. And then I'll click this button that says Sync to LMS. You will only see this option if there are student results to sync. So if you don't see it, just double check that you have some responses from students. And once you click Sync to LMS, you'll notice that it says syncing completed, and it should have a 2 out of 2 in this case. If you are seeing 0 out of 0, it typically means the assignment is not linked correctly to the LMS. And what you can do is open up the assignment tool, so the paper with the star on it. Click Edit Assignment on the assignment that you'd like to sync scores for. If this box is already checked, you'll want to uncheck it and save the edit to first unsync the assignment. Then click Sync to LMS and save the edit again. Now when you sync the grades from the activity results, you should see that it is completed and no longer says 0 out of 0. That is the most common issue we see with syncing grades to the LMS. But of course, if you're still having trouble or have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the question mark icon within your account.